No matter how fast or slow, shout, whisper, or switch languages mid sentences, this AI model handles it all in real time with less than half a second of delay. Welcome to Voxtral Mini 4 billion real time, which has been just released by Mistral. Voxtral is an open source speech to text model that can transcribe what you are saying as you are saying it in 13 different languages, which range from Italian to Chinese to French to German and Russian. Yes, mostly they are European languages, but I'm sure that they are going to increase that range. The accuracy as per this benchmark is really astounding. The thing is that this sort of accuracy you would only get from slow offline system that processes audio after you are done talking. You can think of this system like having a human transcriptionist who types exactly what you say the moment you say it, except this runs entirely locally, and that is what we are going to do in this video. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you are looking for AI updates without any hype. I am going to use this Ubuntu system. I have one GPU card NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very good price, you can find the link to Mass Compute with 50% discount coupon for a range of GPUs. Now, the tool which I am going to use is UV. I already have UV installed. It is just single liner to get it installed. And then you can just simply create a virtual environment, which is a best practice. Now we can activate that virtual environment. The tool which they are using in order to get it installed is VLLM, and it is available in nightly batch. Doesn't work with transformer at the moment, so that is the only way we can get it installed. So I'm installing it with UV. This is going to take maybe 1 minute or two. While that happens, let's talk a bit more around this model and how exactly its architecture is working. So what they have done here, they have built a custom audio encoder from scratch that processes sound in a causal way, meaning it only looks at what's already been said, not what's coming next, which is how it achieves that insane speed which they are promising, and we will check it out. You can even adjust the delay yourself, anywhere from 240 millisecond to 2.4 second, depending on whether you need lightning fast responses or maximum accuracy, whether you are creating live subtitles, building a voice assistant, or transcribing private meetings without sending data to the cloud. This 4 billion model delivers professional grade results while running fast enough for real time conversation. The good thing is that Mistral has released it in Apache 2 license, which they have really started long time ago. So really good to see them coming back to the Apache 2 licensing. So let's see if it has installed. It has, so looks good. And now we need to install these audio processing libraries. So Soxer, Librosa, and Soundfile, and they are also done. And I also have checked everything is installed. Next up, we need to serve it through VLLM, and we can use this command. And this is going to download the model the first time when you run this. And the file size is consolidated just close to 9 gig. And the model is now being served. And now from another terminal, we can launch our Gradio demo. So this is a code which they have already provided on their Hugging Face card, which you can also access. I have just made very minor cosmetic changes, but should be able to run as is too. So I will drop the link to the model card in video's description. So let me launch this demo. And now this demo is running publicly too, and also on my local URL. Before I show you anything, I will let it run, and quickly let's check the VRAM consumption. So the model is consuming close to 36 gig of VRAM as it is fully loaded onto my GPU. So make sure that you have that much VRAM for this model. Okay, let's access it. And this is what the demo looks like in the Gradio, very basic, uh, and but hopefully it would be able to work. So let me click on start. Hello, this is Fahad Mirza. I'm allowing my microphone now. Hello, this is Fahad Mirza, and I'm making a YouTube video. And I would request my viewers to please subscribe and like the video and become a member of the channel. That would really help, because I think that is something which keeps this channel going, especially if you become a member. That really helps a lot, and it really, you know what, it just costs $4 to $5 a month, nothing fancy. But when more and more people join, that really keeps this going, and I could even do it full time if you guys would really become a member and help out. Also, please follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates. You see how fast that model is. No matter if I am shouting or if I am just whispering, it is able to hear me, and transcription is really out of this world. And I'm keep speaking, I think. Okay, I will just go on and on and on. Maybe I could also speak some French here, or Dutch or Italian, or in any other language. Let me get a sentence which I could translate into Dutch. Maybe just give me a sec, I'll get it. I have translated some of the sentences, but the thing is that I cannot speak these beautiful languages, but I'll try with Spanish. Hola, mi llamo Alex. ¿Cómo estás hoy? Bonjour. My name is Alex. Ciao, mi chiamo Alex. And I think rest I cannot really speak. Or Marhaba, ismi Alex Kafia. I just tried to speak Arabic. No, I don't think so. It can do. It's only European languages, but I think that their claim about having this model working at the speed of sound is totally spot on, which is really good for starters, because these days what I'm also experiencing, that many people and many companies are claiming, but when you actually install the model, it doesn't work. So again, this is the final VRAM consumption. Transcription is still going on, and it is consuming over 35.6 gig of VRAM. So that's it. Let me know what do you think about this model. Really amazing model in terms of benchmarks, but the real proof is in the pudding, and we just saw that it works like a charm. Test it out. Let me know what do you think. Thank you for all the support.